Welcome to Roll for Poke. Let's roll. Chantia's Bounty 4 Noodles. I'm using somen noodles, which are wheat based. Ocean's Bounty 5 Tofu. Mercer's 6 Chef's Choice. It's the tail end of Japanese scallop season. They're sweet and tender, so it should be perfect match for spicy mayo. It's 3 parts Kewpie to 1 part sriracha. Let's add it to our bowl. Ocean's Corner 2 Ponzu. The sweet citrus soy sauce. Toppings 133 corn and double edamame. Finally, some colors to this dish. Finishing touches from the Magic Tavern 1 and 2 crispy onions and furikake. These are toasty, crunchy, and oniony. I think I've had furikake in all my poke so far. Let's go ahead and mix this up and have a taste. Doesn't look very nice. First off the bat, the noodles are the wrong vehicle for these flavors. Let me try a bite without the noodles. The spicy mayo scallop is sweet, soft, and it's a nice tender bite. The crispy onions adds a nice texture. Edamame and corn also gives it a sweetness and firmness, but it doesn't add much. The filling itself is great, but I'm not getting many toppings with the noodles and it's pretty inconvenient to eat. I'll play around with other noodles in the future. I would give this, currently as it is, 7.5 out of 10. Last few bites with Camera Woman.